channel. Today on Small Town Southern Wife, we're back at cleaning time. We're off of spring break, but we're going to continue to do some cleaning. So in today's video, I'm going to share with y'all how to make the homemade foaming pink stuff. You can make it yourself. You only need a few ingredients. Let's get started. Okay, you'll need some baking soda, some citric acid. You can get this in the canning section, or you can order it off of Amazon. And any kind of essential oil that you like. That's all you need to make your homemade foaming pink stuff. And now if you wanted to leave it pretty much all natural, you could use just this. But just so I can do it for the video, I'm going to add just a tiny drops of food coloring to make it pink. Just like what we buy. You'll need some kind of container to keep it in, or maybe like a little jar. But I've got this container right here that got messed up a little bit in the dishwasher, so I'm going to be using it today. And I'm going to be adding a half a cup of baking soda, so we're going to do a half a cup of baking soda. Now I buy the big box of baking soda, so I do keep mine in a jar. But it's this your regular Arm & Hammer baking soda. This right here is your citric acid that you can get, like I said, in the canning section. And we're going to put 1/4 cup of this in our baking soda. Now, let's talk about this. At this point, you could leave it just like this and only have your baking soda and your citric acid. But for the video purpose, I want to make it pink. So I am going to go ahead and mix that up because I do have some little chunks of baking soda in there. Just put my hand in there. Get it crumbled up. You want it real fine. Make sure you don't have any chunks in it. And now, to mine, I am going to add a little essential oil. Now, if you had lemon, you could add it, but I've got this grapefruit, so it's sort of a citrus, so I'm just going to add a few drops of this. And now to make it pink, when it does its job, I'm going to add just a couple drops of this red food coloring. Not much, because it'll turn it red. I'm hoping it turns it pink. Now this right here might take a minute, but we just got to mix that food coloring up inside and get all the little, you know, food coloring, when it hits dry ingredients like that, it sort of forms like little balls. Okay, I'm getting a pink tint to it. Okay, you can see that it is pink, or it's getting there anyway. But that's all I'm going to add. I'm not going to add any more. But now when you do buy this in the store, I really don't know what they would have in it that makes it pink. But we're going to go with that right there. It does just have a pink tint to it. Now this is so easy and simple to make. So now we're going to go, and I'm going to show y'all how it does when you add it to your toilet. Okay, here's our homemade pink stuff that we've made. I got y'all where y'all can see good. So now we're going to take 2 teaspoons of this mixture and add directly to the water. Okay. Now mine is a little bit more redder because I didn't have pink food coloring. But if I wasn't doing it for a video, I wouldn't even have put no food coloring. But look how clean that homemade cleaner gets your toilet. go. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this in your sink. You'll just take you some of it, sprinkle it in your sink. I'll be using my little homemade scrubby that I made. And just give it a scrub. Get down in the drain good. And just give it a rinse. Makes a good scrubber to scrub your sinks with also. So look how good and clean it got that. Even the silver drain. Well, now using this recipe with these measurements, you will have some leftovers, depending on how much cleaning you got to do. That's what it looks like. You can make the homemade foaming pink stuff yourself using probably what you've already got in your kitchen. If you don't have the citric acid, you can order it off of Amazon or check out the canning section like at Walmart or any of your grocery stores that carry canning supplies. They'll have the citric acid also. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the new hype button. Give it a thumbs up, and like always, Travis and myself just want to say a big thanks for watching our videos. Share them if you think you know somebody that might get some use out of them. And like always, happy cleaning!